should be the line.
One, two. Third one I have, right?
No, yeah, third one, but should be the line, the first line, this one. The mirror. That's it. Forward, يعني the mirror in front. Where's the line finger?
We have the third one, mark, right?
Yeah. It's 4 seconds. Keep going. Full right, huh? Brother, full right. You can see the line. On the straight. It's saying straight. Keep going. Straight, no? Straight, brother. Brother. Still. Brother, rails. We're back rails, huh? Okay. So, where's your line? The line should be, the mirror should
Third
be the,
one, right?
Yeah, we're back.
This one
Back
first,
number 3.
second,
Yeah, you can count, yes. And then the mirror should be in front of the line. And then you have
in this one, right?
yeah,
This one here, second one here.
yeah. You will back number 3. Barking number 3, yeah.
But mirror has to be first
Yeah.
one or in the middle one.
You have to cut one line and keep the mirror
Straight
up.
like this.
Yes, straight or in front of the line. And you have to turn your steering from here, fully right. We will park where?
Third one.
Yeah, number. Okay, now keep going, keep watching the mirror. You can see the line from the mirror. Okay, it's like a drum. You go back like this. Now turn straight, so fix your steering straight. Yes, and keep going. Okay, full parking, huh? Hand the brake up. Okay. That's it. Okay. Cut full line. This is the line, huh? This is the mirror. The mirror should be in front of the line, not much. More back. Bas. That's it. Okay, from this moment, you have to what do?
Turn.
Fully right, yes. Okay, and keep looking in the mirror also again. When the first line show up, from that time, like you know, when you go back to reverse for the drop, same thing. Where's the line now? There. صح? Run straight. Stop. Bas. And fix your steering straight. And keep going again. That's all. And full parking. And the brake up. Yes, brother. Okay.